Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. In this video I will tell you how you can fix your not working touchpad in your PCs. Either it could be a Windows 11 or Windows 10. If your touchpad is not working, I hope it will work after doing this particular setting. You have to go to the device manager like I am showing you. Right click on the Windows in the taskbar, then click on the device manager here. After this device manager windows pop up here, then you will see here mice and other pointing devices option. You have to click on it. Then you will see here HID compliant mouse. You have to click and right click over it. Then here you will see an option called update driver. You have to click on update driver, then go to search automatically for drivers. Right now I have the best driver available in my PC. If it shows to you also, then you have to again go to right click here and click on update driver. Then you can add driver manually by clicking on browse my computer for drivers. Then you have to go on the below option, let me pick a list of available drivers on my computer. Then you will see here different drivers. You can try by installing one by one any of the driver. Then still if it doesn't work for you in your PC for your touchpad, then here's another option also. Like you have to go to human interface devices. Here you will find the setting of touchpad. You can see only one touchpad setting is there. You have to go there and right click over it. After you right click over it, you have to check whether its driver is updated or not. You have to click on update driver. If it's the latest driver, then you have to go to the below option here, uninstall device. You have to uninstall this particular driver. After uninstalling this driver, you have to again search your PC for new drivers. You have to go to action option here, then click on the scan for hardware changes. After click on scan for hardware changes, your PC will search different hardwares or drivers available in PC and reinstall this particular driver again if it's the latest one. Thanks for watching this video.